Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete particular promotional emails. This is the interface of the 4N6 MailRaiser software. On the left side, and click on Open. In Add Account option, you'll need to input your email credentials. Under the Manage Account option, users can manage their previously used accounts within the software. In the IMAP Configured Account section, users can select email address credentials they've previously added. It will be displayed in gray if no accounts are added yet. To proceed, click on Add Account. There you have to input your email credentials. Enter your email address in the designated field. For the password, users have to generate an app password from their email account, as your regular password won't work. If you're unsure about generating an app password, refer to our instructional video provided in the description. You can also click here for help. After entering your email credentials, click on Add. On the left side, you'll find a display of email folders. Choose any folder you wish to explore. Their users can easily access and view the email content in a user-friendly format. On the right-hand side, users have the option to search for specific words, for instance, Amazon. Upon entering the keyword Amazon, you'll see numerous promotional mails related to Amazon. Typically, you might select individual emails and delete them. However, if the intention is to delete all promotional emails containing a particular word, follow these steps. Click on Actions, located at the top. Then, select Delete Emails. On the left side, you'll find checkboxes. Check the folders from which you wish to delete emails. On the right side, the first option is Delete All Mails. By choosing option, this will remove all mails from your email account. Click on Advanced Settings. The first option is Delete All Mails Containing Attachments, which exclusively deletes all emails with attachments, leaving others untouched. Under Date Range, users can specify a date range to delete emails within the date range. From Mail ID, users can input the email address of the sender to delete all emails from that sender. Conversely, to Mail ID, users can input the email address of the recipient to delete all emails sent to that recipient. Within Contains Text option, users can enter specific text present in emails. The software will identify and delete all emails containing that text. By checking Contains in Subject, we'll specifically search for the provided text within email subjects for deletion. Conversely, Contains in Body will search within the body of emails for the specified text. By enabling Case Sensitive, we'll exclude words with different capitalizations, whereas disabling it will include all variations of capitalization. Time to delete the emails. Let's choose Contains Text option to target promotional emails. Users have the flexibility to select different methods as required. Let's input Amazon. Users can choose different text according to their preference. Note: some emails may contain the word Amazon that we don't want to delete. In such cases, uncheck Contains in Body and enable Case Sensitive, since companies typically capitalize their names. After configuring the settings, click on Delete, located at the top right. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to delete these emails permanently. Click Yes to confirm. Now, the software will begin scanning for emails containing the word Amazon. In the demo version, users can delete only 10 emails. To increase the limit, users need to purchase the license. On the left side, you'll notice the number of emails decreased. Users can also verify the deletion by logging into their email account. And that's it. That's how to delete promotional mails from an email account by using 4N6 MailRaiser software. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. For more details, check the description.